Give me my 15K. ASAP, give me your number now, I beg. Why I can go? My 3,500 naira. Come here, Naka.
Madam, where my 10,000 naira? 10,000 where they come my house, they collect every day. Where am now?
Me?
It's a me.
I don't know now. We don't meet before.
Hey!
Madam, the time where they come my house, and they contribute 500 naira every day they give you. You don't forget them.
Now this thing make me and they contribute only 50-50 now. I know that I can go women. They chop people money. But you see this one, you know go free. And tomorrow na Mothering Sunday. Let make I say make I save that money, make I use some buy chicken cook for my children. Eh?
I see like this now. This thing I talk now, I don't know. When I just
Hey! What do you want to try him? Don't try him. Madam, don't try him.
Madam, I fat you fat. If we jack you,
What thing they happen here? Madam, now we're done. What thing you and small children they here?
I'll say, hey! Don't even try him. One and there. See, if you not carry this one, come talk with rubbish where you don't know. See, you are my first son, they mates.
Oga, if I say no get respect, Abi, I should carry that writing for head. Your respect no small now, Abi. We'll deal with you now, madam.
Now I look chest.
No, you think it's artificial. You think it's artificial. When you carry this your red cap, come here, come talk rubbish. Madam, calm down. They talk too much. Oga, I don't know where you from. Come. What I need now, my 3,500. Now, what I want, chicken.
What happened? Why you? What happened?
see me see naked trouble. I think on my own, these people just come gather me say, make a give them 15,000 with this one money too. How much be your money?
10,000
10,000, my brother. Say, I know what I don't be say. I lost memory. I know well since. They got tell me say they need to wash off my this memory. So now they got tell me say me now I can't woman before.
She dey do wait, Naka what she dey do?
Naka what she dey do? Madam, wait, you say.
Now don't they tell me now? I be not know.
Madam, you talk say you lose your memory, Abi. You lose your memory, you flash your memory, Abi. I go do welcome back for you. Bam.
Wait a minute. If I may understand, you say you dey do akawo.
Now then they tell me now.
You no say you be akawo before.
I say I lost memory.
Madam, since you lost your memory, get ready because you go lose your life now. Bam! You go lose your life.
Yes.
Madam, where you keep your memory? Eh?
I dey go take injection now for brain.
Or you go that brain shop go find now.
Okay.
Before you go, you go give my money. Before they go brain shop, you go give my money now. Madam,
wait.
Hey.
Wait a minute. What I have to say here is that, like she said, she lost her memory. But what I have SIM card, I have memory card here. What if I insert it, it go work?
I make I swallow memory card.
If I put a swallow and maybe everything go come out fresh. Because in that, how to call in these people now, they need help. For you to collect their money, how
much?
15K.
You come?
3,500.
10,000 naira.
You don't remember?
Don't even give me 3,200. I no go collect them. 3,500.
Yeah, wait. You say your money how much?
15K.
You come?
3,500.
You?
10,000.
And that's small money now. Like this now, I tell you say I lose memory. The only thing I remember now be say the person who is being do next of kin, he go soon die. I'll give you that money.
You lose memory, but you remember your next of kin. Oh no, shit. Now fast, you fast. We go tell you say we be giant of Africa.
Madam, we never jam.
Hey! Madam, you have to walk. You need to walk.
Hey!
You want my phone?
What happened? Madam, you go alone. What happened?
Come here. Memory, don't worry. Memory don't come back.
Ayo.